What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. You guys, what is that? You guys hear that? No, I don't have it back here. So where the hell is that music? What is that coming from? Is that music? I don't know. Maybe it went away. So, I just wanted to... Seriously, I can't figure out what that music is. I think we're gonna have to pull over. Okay, I'm still hearing it, guys. So let's pull over. I found a dead end. Should be safe. Did it stop? Is the motor? No, I still hear it. Where's it coming from? Damn it, where are you coming from? Is it over here? No? Is it coming from this? Oh, what's happening? Oh, I don't know. I gotta get out of here. What's going on? Oh, I can't. Ah! I pledge allegiance to the flag. To which it stands. Woo! Alright, guys. All joking aside, I hope you are having a wonderful 4th of July out there with the family. If you guys have been following me for a while, you may have heard 4th of July is my favorite holiday. Yes, above Christmas. And there's reasons for that. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys remember. You can put that down in the comments. But 4th of July, man, the lake, barbecues, yes, barbecues, and family. Also fireworks. I fucking love fireworks, man. Boom! Wake up! Freedom time. Don't let the politics get to you guys either. Go enjoy time with the family. And, that's all you really need to do today. Go enjoy time with the family. There's reasons why we get to do enjoy that, but we're not getting into that. We're just going to have fun today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. Hopefully you got out and rode today, and if you did, you stayed safe, you stayed classy. Got that? Oh, shit. I'm enjoying myself today. I don't have to work. I get to ride my bike. It's a good day. I hope you guys are having a good day. Stay safe, stay classy, you guys, and have a wonderful 4th of July.